Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the facts. Note the exact system thread exception not handled code and any recent driver or hardware changes. Once noted, make a recovery USB with the Windows 11 media creation tool so you have an offline repair option. Next, boot into safe mode or the recovery environment via Shift plus Restart or from the USB. This isolates third-party drivers and lets you act without the OS actively loading problematic drivers. Make sure to keep a phone or another PC handy for driver downloads. Now you diagnose. Enable Driver Verifier to provoke and log driver failures, then check Device Manager for flagged devices. This narrows the culprit. Once done, run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. If a driver is implicated, uninstall it or roll back to the previous version, or install a manufacturer-tested driver from another PC. These steps resolve most system thread exceptions caused by drivers. To finish, restore system stability. If diagnostics fail, use System Restore to a prior point or run a repair install, in place upgrade, to keep files and apps while replacing Windows system files. Once stable, update BIOS or firmware if drivers still act up, and reset BIOS defaults to eliminate odd settings. If problems persist, examine Minidump files in C/Windows/Minidump and Event Viewer. They reveal which driver or module crashed, giving you a targeted fix rather than guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.